Oh. Please like and subscribe. Hey everybody, it's Chastity Elise and I'm back today for another video. So what we are going to be doing is trying this new eyebrow pencil. So currently I am using Pixie Beauty's Eyebrow Duo, and this one right here is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And so I've never tried this, and I feel like sometimes with the Pixie Beauty brush, not gonna lie, I feel like I can be a little heavy-handed just because it's got the gel and then the pencil. So I feel like I can get a little bit heavy-handed, or at least there's some potential there to get a little heavy-handed with it. So I decided to try an eyebrow pencil just to kind of get a more natural look. Like I want my eyebrows to be a little bit thicker. Like you all see right here at the very beginning of my eyebrow, it's like kind of sparse. And I don't really know what happened. Like I guess just over the years, it's just been kind of thinning. I'm not really sure, because I've never really had like super thick eyebrows, but I've had like pretty decent naturally arched eyebrows, and I've never had this problem before. So it's something that I've noticed like within the past year or so. So I don't know if maybe it's been stress or what, but either way, I've just kind of been picking up a habit now of just trying to like fill them in just a little bit. So without further ado, I got this eyebrow pencil, and it's in a shade of dark brown. And it's kind of hard to tell like what shade to get. Like I know my natural hair, my eyebrows, it's dark brown, but obviously everybody's version, you can ask two different people and their version of dark brown might be something a little bit different. So anyway, we're gonna try this, and then I'm actually gonna get, because I have a brush, so I feel like you always need to kind of brush your eyebrows out as a part of this process so it looks neat. So I'm actually gonna go and I'm gonna get my little eyebrow brush so I can actually do a decent, or at least give you all a decent review on this. This is my first time ever using this eyebrow pencil, so we'll see how it goes. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go and get my brush. All right, so this brush is, which I didn't realize, is also from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And so I didn't realize that, but I think I ordered something else, which we'll do for another video. I think I ordered, I think I ordered kind of like a gel that came in like a round packaging, whatever, but I'm not sure what that is. That's a completely different video. When I come across it again, we'll do that. But for right now, got this, so let's see. I just like to brush it out, which I think a lot of people kind of do, is like brush their eyebrows out a little bit first, just so you have some kind of template and you know what you're starting with. And then once you know what you have, then you can just kind of build upon that foundation, you know? So, okay. Oh. All right then. So you know what? You know what? Like if you look at this though. Okay. If you look at this though, it doesn't say. Like I know a lot of people put like Eyebrow Duo on their package. They didn't put that, but anyway, so let's start over. So I'm just gonna brush, because they got a brush in here. But they got a brush in here, and we'll just use this brush because we're trying to give a review of their product. Even though that brush is also by same company, same brand and everything, we still want to give a legitimate review of this product. All right, so now we're gonna use the pencil piece. And I hope this is dark enough, because sometimes, like I used a dark brown pencil brush that I got from, I don't know where I got this pencil brush from, but, oh, I know. But anyway, it's a dark brown eyebrow pencil that I purchased and I don't know if it's like the product was old when I tried to apply it, but it went on really, really light. And I'm like, there's no way that I can try to even pass this off. Like, you couldn't even really see it on my face. It was that light. And I'm like, yeah, this is not gonna work. So I'm usually like right up in the mirror, but I want you all to see what I'm doing too. So just bear with me. Okay. Personally, right now, I'm honestly impressed. I really didn't think that, like, looking at this, I really honestly, tell you the truth, I did not expect much from it, but I'm actually surprised. I actually really like the way that's making my eyebrow look right now. And I feel like that looks pretty natural. I don't think that that's like too overbearing or outlandish. Like, I mean, ultimately, your eyebrows, the main goal of your eyebrows is to help frame your eyes. And so we don't need to look like, we don't need to be walking around looking like little werewolves. Like we're just hairy, you know? That's not the goal. The goal is not to look like we're hairy, but just to frame our eyes. So I want to stand up, but it's making my back hurt. And then the other thing that you want to do when you filling your eyebrows, which I'm sure, like, if you're filling them in, you probably already know this if you're already doing it. But one of the things that you want to make sure you're doing is, like, for example, like I told you all that I have more of like thinning here at the beginning of the eyebrow. In between is fine, but even so, like, you don't want to fill in the thinning part of your eyebrow so much that it's so dark that the rest of the eyebrow doesn't look uniform. So what you want to do, you want to make sure that you carry whatever you're doing here, you want to make sure that you kind of carry the color throughout the eyebrow so it looks uniform. So no, like, you know, where you have the thicker parts, you don't have to do a lot of filling in, just kind of like a couple of swipes or whatever and then move on. But you know, at the end of the day, you want your eyebrows to look uniform. You don't want to look like this part is like really dark and really filled in and then the rest of it starts to look sparse. You know what I'm saying? So that's the main thing. Just make sure that you carry the color throughout the eyebrow. You don't have to fill your eyebrow evenly across, but you can just do a couple of light swipes in between where, you know, it's a little bit fuller, just so it looks uniform and that you have a more cohesive look. Now, one thing I will say about my eyebrows though, so I like the way that it filled in. So personally, I give this definitely an A++. I'll post a link in the description box down below. Let's just check these eyebrows out again. So one thing I will say is, that's what I wanted to mention. So one thing I will say is, like, don't judge me on my eyebrows like this product is good. As far as some of the shaping that's on me, just because, like, you know, you go and you get your eyebrows done and tweeze and stuff, and I have a tweezer, but I just have not tweezed my eyebrows yet. But as far as the eyebrow pencil goes, it works really well. So don't judge me based on the shape. I'm just kind of going with the natural shape of my eyebrows right now. So there's a little stray, you know, a couple stray hairs here and there that you all kind of see or whatever, and that I definitely see. But at the end of the day, this review is not about the shape of my eyebrows. So anyway, please like and subscribe, and let me know if you all want to see more videos like this. I do plan on doing some more beauty videos. I have some products that I've been meaning to try that I've purchased, but they're just kind of sitting around because I've been doing either hauls or like lately I've been doing a lot of vlogs. But I definitely do plan on using those products, and I'll be doing videos kind of my first impressions and my thoughts of those products as well. But in the meantime, I will see you all later. Stay safe and be healthy. Bye.